Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Shopify store link to your TikTok bio. So the process is easy. You will need just your Shopify store link. As an example, once you are on Shopify, go to this left panel and click on your online store. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here. So you can go and click on View Store at the top right. Once you don't click on that, you'll find yourself on a new page with your store. As you can see, you'll find the link right here, so you can go and copy it. Of course, if you try to open it in incognito mode, as you can see, you'll find your store right here. So now you can go to your TikTok, click on your profile at the top right corner. If you're on your phone, just go to your profile as well. You can go and click on Edit Profile. And once you do so, you will have to go to your bio and simply paste the link right there. Make sure that you do not exceed, as an example, the limitation characters, and then you will have to go and click on Save. Once you click on Save as an example, you'll have to wait a little bit. So let me just go and refresh the page. And sometimes it's bugs like that. You can just go and try again. Can happen, example, a second time. So you'll have just to try a third time if it didn't work. And you should be good to go. Okay, yeah, it didn't work as you can see. So sometimes it's bugged and it's fine. It can happen. Let me just go, let's refresh. And as you can see, the link now, it's our bio. So what if you want to make it as an example as a link, as a clickable link? So for that option, you'll have to do two things. First of all, you'll need to change your profile into a business account, not a personal account. And the second thing is you need to register your business in TikTok. And this will take time. This process takes time. You will have to enter a lot of details about your business and TikTok will have to approve it. Then you will be able to paste the link in your TikTok as a clickable link. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.